A judge delivered a serious blow to a candidate who won the election for Macon County Sheriff by over 600 votes. Hello and thanks for joining us. I'm Frank Malloy. The decision comes after weeks of uncertainty over whether Butch Canady could legally take office. Hunter King was in the courtroom for today's ruling.
Tensions were high in this courthouse here in Macon County this morning as Superior Court Judge Rucker Smith handed down that ruling, which might provide some answers to this months-long saga. The ruling was clear. Butch Canady will not be sheriff on January 1st, even though he won the election with nearly 56% of the vote. In Monday's hearing, Richard Martin's attorney argued Canady's revoked law enforcement certification makes him ineligible to serve. Peace Officer Standards and Training, or POST, stripped the certification after Canady pleaded guilty to using excessive force against a student as a school resource officer in 2019.
We contend Mr. Canady doesn't have to have his certification to take the office. He has 6 months to get it. There's a code section that allows POST to certify that he doesn't have it, and that's what the judge relied on to enter his ruling today.
But Judge Smith sided with Martin's team, ruling the office will be deemed vacant when the new year begins. The probate judge's order upheld in today's case calls for the appointment of challenger Richard Martin as interim sheriff on January 1st. He'd hold that position until voters select a qualified sheriff's candidate in a special election that would be set later this year. State Representative Patty Marie Stinson says this sends a troubling message.
I believe the ruling sends a message to the voters that your vote didn't really count. That's what I believe, and the people of this county spoke.
Now, we don't know what's next for Canady and his legal team. I will say we talked to Canady's attorney after the hearing, and he told me that they will explore the possibility of an appeal to a higher court. But for now, reporting in Macon County, Hunter King, 13 WMAZ News.
In making his ruling today, the Superior Court judge said while someone who never had post certification gets 6 months to complete it, a candidate who had it revoked does not have that option. Martin's attorneys issued a statement saying, quote, "The judge appropriately provided a decision based on the law, and we are pleased with the decision today."